So today, I'm going to be showing you how you install the StartX remote starter on a Ford truck. So this is going to be going into my 2016 Ford F-150. It's an XL, regular cab long bed. So before you even buy this, you're going to want to make sure your truck has what they call a hood pin. Which basically, if you have your hood open, it will let you know on the dash. So to check that, you open your hood. Leave it just like that. Start the truck up. Alright, see it says hood ajar, so that means it has a hood pin. So now all you do, you're going to pull this out of here. And you're going to locate the OBD2 port and you just plug it in. Now next what you do, you stick the key in and turn it to the on position. And down on here, you'll see a little light come on and then go off. Alright, and light's off. So now they want you to let the truck start and run for a couple seconds. I think it said 15 seconds. Cold out here. Alright, should be good, so we'll shut her off. So now to start it up, hit lock, unlock, and lock. And there you go. So if you come in the cab now, when you want to go drive it, you just stick the key in and turn it to the on position and you're good to go. And the nice thing is, you could also do lock, unlock, lock to shut the truck off. And it also works as far as your key fob regularly will bring your vehicle on from. So I could be back here, lock, unlock, lock, and shut the truck off. So that is how you install your StartX remote starter for Ford vehicles. They have, I think, a Ford Edge and a couple other, definitely F-150s from 2015 and newer. So I'll put the link in the description if you want to order one for yourself. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, you should definitely consider subscribing, and we'll see you in another video.